Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for tuning in to our July 13th, 2021 video update. Myself, Andre Matus from the Office of Emergency Management. I'll be relaying some information, and so will the new folks on our panel, and I'll let them introduce themselves.
Hi everyone, I'm Isaac Martinez. I'm a prevention coach for Sewa Ussim's Adolescent Sexual Health Program.
Good afternoon, Zinnia Yamas Hill, Program Manager. I work for the Health Department over at Sewa Ussim.
Hi everybody, I'm Shannon Whitewater. I'm an epidemiologist with the Health Services Division here. And I know a lot of people might not be familiar with the term epidemiologist, so just a quick little blurb. What I do as an epidemiologist is I monitor and kind of analyze the way that a disease is affecting the community so that we can work together to figure out ways to prevent or stop it.
Thank you. Okay, folks, I'm going to start with this flyer here. It's called Comeback Cash. It's a COVID-19 Vaccine Incentive Program. Please be on the lookout for this on all our media platforms, and you'll be receiving a mailer as well, a hard copy in your mailbox. So, just real briefly, it has 3 different categories that you would fall under in order to receive your incentive. So just read it carefully so you know which route to take to receive your incentive. Many of you have already seen the video that Chairman put out on this incentive plan. So the cat is out of the bag. Please come and receive your vaccine and receive your incentive. We'd really like to see as many people as we can service. The dates are all listed in here and the times are all listed here in the flyer. So please come on out and get vaccinated. You, your family, your co-workers, whoever may still need the vaccine. If you've only had 1 shot out of the 2-shot series, please come and receive your 2nd shot. We'd like to see you out there. Isaac.
So you heard them. So we encourage all youth ages 12 and up to get their vaccine on Thursday, July 15th at the Albert Garcia Auditorium from 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. And if anyone has any questions, concerns, or information that they would like to get, parent support, or a one-on-one meeting with the prevention coach, please contact 520-879-6366.
Thank you, Isaac. So the information I wanted to share with you all is regarding youth and family services. So as you heard, Isaac is doing a call out for all youth and young adults to come out and receive your vaccine. So be on the lookout. We have some youth incentives coming soon, so stay tuned for those. And we just want to say, don't wait for your incentive to be vaccinated. We will be doing incentives for folks who come back with and show proof with their vaccination card. So be on the lookout for those. We're really hoping to reach out to youth and families and get all the information out to everybody that might have anxieties or worries or questions around what happens when you receive the vaccine. Are there side effects? Is there concerns? I know that might be especially important right now that we are near back to school events and schools opening up soon. So I just wanted to offer support from Sewa Ussim. If you do have questions or would like services or just anxiety in general and general wellness, we do serve youth and families 0 to 24 in our programs. We have an array of services from prevention to early intervention and treatment services. So if you have any questions, please reach out to our main number. It's 879-6181, or to myself. My extension is 6366. So 879-6366. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right, I wanted to go over some of the COVID cases for the areas. So I'll start off with Tucson. As far as May goes, we had 17 total COVID cases in May. And then in June, we had 20 cases, and In July, so far, even though we're just a few weeks in, we've had 0 cases so far in July.
That's good.
I wanted to share those numbers from May and June just to give you a snapshot of the case trends. So you can see that they've been going down. I mean, over the past month, they've been going down. And I also wanted to point out, since we're talking about the youth being vaccinated, in June, 50% of the cases that we had were in those that were between the ages of 12 to 25 years. So going hand in hand with that, I also wanted to mention that only 8% of 12 to 15-year-old tribal youth here are vaccinated, and 17% of 16 to 25-year-olds are vaccinated. So those are 2 age groups that can really make a dent in the effort to get vaccinated in order to prevent further spread of the disease. And then as far as Guadalupe goes, there were 46 total cases of COVID in May, 14 cases in June, and so far in the month of July, there have been only 2 cases. So as you can tell, our numbers have dropped dramatically in July so far, and that is an even bigger reason just to really work at getting vaccinated and promoting vaccination of your loved ones and those that are around you, to continue to keep our numbers this low, because it's awesome to be able to report that.
Thank you. So, as you've all heard, there's many reasons to get vaccinated. So please be on the lookout for the flyer. The kickoff for this incentive program will be July 22nd at the Sunset Room. And I do want to remind everybody that the Delta variant, that strain of the virus, is really taking hold in the state of California, Nevada, and Arizona. Just to let you know, it was reported that last week that 25% of the positive cases of COVID were the Delta variant in Arizona last week. So it is spreading. So please, to keep yourself safe, to keep your family members safe and your coworkers safe, please really consider being vaccinated. And I think that's all we have for now. So I want to thank all the panel. Thank Mr. Lopez and Mrs. Nunez for all their behind the scenes work, and please get out there and get vaccinated. Thank you for tuning in.
Thank you.